Okay, this one says what are the zeros of this expression here? That means what are the solutions to the equation x minus 2 times the quantity x squared minus 9 equals 0. So like what values of x make this thing equal 0? So we're going to use the zero product property here. It might be tempting to try to distribute this, but then you're going to get x cubed. The best way to do it is to recognize that this is factorable. So we have x squared minus 9. That can be factored into x plus 3 times x minus 3. So now we have the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 3. And we want to know what values of x make this 0. Well, using the zero product property, either this thing has to equal 0 times this thing has to equal 0 times this thing has to equal 0. It's a times b times c. One of these things has to be equal to 0 in order for the entire product to equal 0. So what value of x will make this equal 0? 2. What value of x will make this equal 0? Negative 3. And what value of x will make this equal 0? 3. So here are the three values of x that represent the zeros of the function. And that is choice 1. So that's choice 1. Okay. Now, number 5. It tells us that this is a piecewise function, and it tells us that the function takes on the expression 2x, takes on the expression 2x when x is less than 1. So here's 1. So when we're to the left of that, we have this value 2x, which that's a line that goes through the origin, has a slope of 2. So anything less than 1, it's this line through the origin with a slope of 2. We have an open circle there. And then after that, it takes on the values 3x squared plus x minus 1, which is a parabola that starts at 1 and goes up. At this point, it's always going up. So it wants to know what's f of 2. Well, so which one should we use? Should we use the 2x or the 3x squared plus x minus 1? We're going to use this one. We want to know what f of 2 is, which means when x is 2, what's the height of the function? Well, that's clearly we're going to use this one. So we're going to plug 2 into this expression. So f of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 squared plus 2 minus 1. I just plugged 2 in for x here and here. And I just did the math and found out that f of 2 is 13 in this case. So there it is. I don't know what choice that is, but f of 2 is 13.